Hello everybody, today we're gonna make cupcakes. For this recipe we need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 3/4 cups of milk, 1/4 cup oil, and 2 eggs. Let's get started. Alright, first put in the flour, 1 cup, and then sugar, 1 cup, 1/4 of cocoa powder, 3/4 of cups of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. Are gonna mix this with a batter. Then we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After about 2 to 3 minutes mixing, let it rest for about 30 seconds, and meanwhile we're just gonna wipe a little bit of oil or butter so your cupcakes don't stick. The mixture should be smooth, no big chunks, so we have to really mix really well, and then just pour it. Make sure do not touch the top, because it will. After we've done, we put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And by the way, this batter can make up to 12 cupcakes, so it's not that bad. Now after we're done, our cupcakes looks really good and looks really tasty.